Because I like the way you set it up because it's very specialized. You go to each link for a specific reason, for a specific purpose, rather than just going to one. Because in fact, before I attended the course, I actually went to ChatGPT a lot when I prepared my course for my accreditation. So one day I just gave it a go, and then I had this course and I got so excited, you know. So I thought, wow, I went in there for all sorts of things, and then I attended your course. Yeah.
So you were able to use ChatGPT to create your course. Then why did you sign up for this course?
I didn't have any knowledge of anything. It was my first interaction with AI, and I didn't understand things. I didn't know how to get what I wanted. And I was basically experimenting. And so when I read about your course, I said, hey, maybe there's a structured way to learn how to get a handle on this, And that's why I signed up for your course, just to understand, is there another way? Is there a better way? Is there a more efficient way? And I like the way you set up those links because each link is specialized. And I realized why you did it that way. And of course, your course, gave me that whole section on advertising and marketing and landing page. And of course, I had no idea about all that prior to attending your course. So that's why I attended the course. So it gave me a very good 360-degree view of how do you not just create the course, but how do you market it? How do you promote it? How do you price it, which is also very important to me.
How do you package it?
Yeah, exactly. So all those things were important. So there's a very comprehensive exposure that I got in the last 3 days.
So you found it helpful?
Extremely helpful. Extremely helpful. So much so that now I'm doing some revision on my own. In fact, I'm going through the whole thing again, day 1, day 2, day 3. Just to recap and just to enhance the learning,
Yeah.
What I'm doing now.
Yeah. You normally
videos are not wasted, I'm going through your videos again.